Hey guys, this is Solomon from hedgingmastermind.com. As you can see, my software is giving me a signal for system A sell scalp trade, and I'm gonna use a 9 lot size and take a because I just logged into it's a brand new. I just installed the 74, but yeah, let me set my take profits now that I've taken the sell. Today is the 31st of August. Remember, we started this account with $250. So far, we've made a lot of profits. We've made over $10,000 withdrawal. And yeah, we've made over $45,000 profits so far. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this, more scalping videos like this. And while we're waiting for more profits in the market, if you want to connect to my account and copy my trades, sign up with Milga Markets, link in the description below. Make sure you fund your account with at least $350 to $500, and then send me a message on WhatsApp and Telegram. Same thing, if you want to test my software for free for 2 weeks, right? Okay, we're moving into profits very fast. So if you want to test my software for 2 weeks, that tells me when to buy, where to sell, where to scalp, where to swing trade, where to hedge, does all the analysis for you in seconds. Sign up with Milga Markets, link in description below. Make sure you have at least $150 in your account so that I know you're serious, and send me a message on WhatsApp and Telegram, and we'll be right back when we're into more profits in the market. All right, and we're back. We already made some profits, $280 in less than 2 minutes actually. We've hit our take profit already. Remember, if you want to buy the course, go to hedgingmastermind.com. We will be trading live. We'll be taking live scalp trades like this, live swing trades like this, live hedging trades like this on live accounts with live trades, and that's how you'll be taught on hedgingmastermind.com. And with that being said, we'll be right back when we're into more profits in the market, when we have another scalp trade in the market. Like, share, and subscribe. Make sure you have a comment in the description box below for the algorithm, and we'll be right back soon.